Welcome, my friends, to this very quick breakdown on how to create a music video. There are various tools, and I've shown you how to use Hedra in the past. But today I'm going to use a different tool. This is called OpenArt. It's a collection of various AI programs. If you go to the home page and you look under video, you can see you've got an option of lip sync video right there. You can also see right in front of you, you have music video. So I'm going to click on create for music video, and then I'm going to create a singing video. So I'm going to choose singing video. So I have the ability to upload music, and then I can also choose a character. I can make a character. File selected, upload, and so here it is, analyzing the audio. This is the audio.
Babble broke.
So it's in there. I'm going to choose my artist. So I'm going to select custom. I'm going to make a new artist. And then I'm going to drag the image that I have of her in. All right, here she is. Let's hit create character. And I'm going to wait for the character to be built. Seems like I got a tick mark, which means it's good to go. All right, next thing I'm going to do is click on create full video. And now it's going to generate a story. You can see it's already dropped down significantly from the 11,000 credits I had. Now it's gone down to 6,000 credits. So 6,000 credits for a 3-minute track. That's kind of crazy. It eats the credits pretty quick, depending on which selection you made. Like if I'd selected a 1 minute, it would have done it for about a third of that, maybe for 2,000 credits. So anyway, it says step away anytime. We'll keep working in the background. You can tweak it in editor once it's ready. So let's give it some time. We'll come back and check on it. So now that I've given it some time to render, let's take a look at what we've got. I'm going to expand the screen, and this is what it looks like.
Babble broke. Mercy spoke. Many tongues. One hope. We talk different. We pray the same. Different flags, different names. War had teeth, peace had scars. Smoke rose high under broken stars. Jack saw the fire, Jack won the land, and the war before it ends, man. Babble broke, mercy spoke. Many tongues. One hope. Peace be still. Hearts be brave. God can heal what war could not save. East was watching, West was too. North felt cold, South pushed through. Nations gathered, voices crossed, counting names, counting cars. Bless the peacemakers, bless the wise, bless the hands that lower the knife. Babble broke, mercy spoke. Many tongues. One hope. Peace be still. Hearts be brave. God can heal what war cannot save. One child cries, the whole world hears. mercy spoke. Many tongues. One hope. Peace be still. Hearts be brave. God can heal what war cannot save. Babble but mercy.
So not bad, because I've got a lot of abstract lyrics in this song. It's not a bad first take, but if I was really going to do this, I would do a whole lot more editing. Probably click on edit this story, go into the storyboard, and make some improvements on some of the shots that I felt could be a lot better. So you can see over here, it's now giving you the option to change a shot. Now, some of the shots will definitely need to change. So that functionality is available. But for those of you that are looking for something quick, you just want to jump in there, you want to begin playing, go ahead to OpenArt AI tool. I'll put a link below. Just see what you can do with it. It does gulp a lot of credits, which is what I don't like about it. Hedra does not consume as many credits as this. And the only thing about Hedra is it doesn't have as dynamic a range of shots. Like you can see, this is giving me so many shots. I could pretty much chop this up and work with it, you know, in my own way. I could also get rid of the lyrics that was showing on the screen. If I don't want the lyrics on the screen, I don't need to download it with that. But I can get rid of that. And I could change this. I could change it up in a whole lot of ways. All right, so let's get rid of the text, the lyrics. We're going to click timeline, and this is going to open up the project in timeline view. We're going to get rid of that text. So, okay, so we can see over here on the left, we have this display caption. You see this toggle button here? You can just get rid of the entire caption, and it won't appear in your download. So I'm going to go ahead and hit export, and I'm going to download the MP4. Now, after downloading the MP4, I'm going to make some changes, because the way this track is, it's very dynamic and it's moving a lot. So I need her to be in motion. I'm going to put her on a bike. I'm going to put her in a car. I'm going to do that separately. I'm actually going to create this outside of here. I'll create it in GPT, because GPT has been doing quite well with images. So I'll create the image of her in GPT, then I'll bring it in here, then I will create a video of her on a bike. And then I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to do a lot of editing by changing the image, the video from her on a bike to the video, then her on a bike to the video. And that's how I'm going to get around some of the weirdness in the shots that I didn't like. And then you're going to see the composite. So this is the initial image I made of her. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to put on a bike, put the model on a bike, racing down the boulevard with palm trees. Cool, chill weather. And I'm going to keep it at, I can do it 69. So this is what ChatGPT did. We're going to download this and use this as part of the video. And then I'm also going to request that ChatGPT creates an image of her in a car. So let's say put the model. Okay, put the model in a Bugatti. Let's say Stars and Stripes. Okay, so we need to give it a frame, and then we can specify the duration, and it will create something that I can use when I'm editing the video. So I've loaded my frame in, and that's pretty much all I need. Let's see how many credits this will be. 150 credits, 300 credits, and Let's hit create. And I didn't even notice which model I'm using. Kling. I would have preferred to use Seedance as opposed to Kling. Kling isn't bad, don't get me wrong. It's not bad. Okay. So I've got Seedance on. Seedance is a little bit more expensive, except you reduce the resolution. So we've got this. Let's see what Kling does. It might be decent. And going back to our model in the car, there she is. So let's download this one as well. So let's go ahead and hit create. I've chosen the Seedance model. And let's see the biker girl. It's not a bad shot of her. So I can definitely chop this up into bits. Kling did well. So let's download that. And there is some audio, as you can hear. Looks like our car video is ready. So let's watch. Let's make it bigger. So it's not bad. It's something I can use. It obviously has some variation, but again, we're going to download it. And I'm going to put it on a timeline, chop it up, use this as B-roll, and fix the strange looking stuff that it did. Okay. So if you haven't used CapCut before, let me give you a very quick tutorial. You need to get it on your machine. It's free. Find it, download it. When you've got CapCut opened, you get all the videos that you want to edit, and you just drag them into the timeline, or you click import and you find them. So let's drag them in. All right. That's a couple of them. And then this is the main one. So with that done, I'm going to click on the plus, get the main video on the timeline, and I'm going to very quickly edit it. So I'm just going to run through the parts find the parts I want to replace. There's one here. So I'm going to alternate the images, and you're going to see a whole lot of motion right here. You kind of get the idea. Like a lot of images are going to be interplaying there, and it doesn't have to be like all the same, but it needs to have that motion illusion.
We talk.
So when you select any of the clips, go up to adjust, and you can adjust the color by using the adjust functions down here. It's kind of helpful. All right, I'm going to keep moving things around, and I'll show you the final.
Babel broke. Mercy spoke. Many tongues. One hope. pray the same. Different flags, different names. War had teeth, peace had scars. Smoke rose high under broken stars. Jack saw the fire, Jack won the land, and the war before it ends, man. Babel broke, mercy spoke. Many tongues, one hope, peace be still, hearts be brave. God can heal what war could not save. East was watching, West was too. North felt cold, South pushed through. Nations gathered, voices crossed, counting names, counting cars. Bless the peacemakers, bless the wise, bless the hands that lower the knife. Babel broke, mercy spoke. Many tongues, one hope, peace be still, hearts be brave. God can heal what war cannot save. One child cries, the whole world hears. One mother waits through all those years. One soldier falls, one bell rings. Lord, make peace from broken things. Babel broke, mercy spoke. Many tongues, one hope, peace be still, hearts be brave. God can heal what war cannot save. Babel broke, Babel broke, but mercy still spoke.
Just feeling the vibe.